Alright, greetings traders. Today is 17th of November 2020. Live day trading for crude oil and as well for the mini S&P futures 500. So in this video I'll show you how I do the trading for US session, and based from the current live signal from my live telegram channel, we did find a signal to short sell the market at 35.84. Targeted TP about 28 ticks below on the short sell run. And for the crude oil, we have as well for short seller position entering at 40.91 and targeted TP at 40.65. So based from the current situation, both order have not yet been filled, have queued the position at 35.84, which is the current lowest as a breakthrough. And for the crude oil, still waiting for the order to be triggered at 40.91, and targeted TP should be around 27 ticks, sorry, 25 ticks below. So that's the target at this moment, 250 for crude oil and 28 ticks for mini S&P. So still wait for the market to react according to our targeted TP or entry. So this is a live trade for both market. There's a high chance at this moment mini S&P will trigger first compared to the crude oil. Seems like crude oil tried to reverse the situation and go for the upside movement. So we have to wait. Maybe we have to revise one more time for the crude oil. Let's wait and see. Alright traders, we resume back again. So based from the current situation and the revised order from the crude oil, we have revised the entry to 40.94 and targeted TP it at 40.70. So we have already been filled, and targeted TP should be around 24 ticks or $240 in profit. Okay, so for mini S&P maybe we have to revise one more time, but let's focus on the crude oil at this moment. We are on the good position of $170 in profit. Okay, so the target is raise up 2 more ticks, 40.72. The high volume waiting at 40.65, which is quite good, quite healthy, which is quite a good indication that the market will go further down to this level. So we have to wait patiently until this order move towards the direction we want, maybe early profit taking activity. It is more advisable for this trade. So let's hope things will get smoothly for this trade. So time now is 9:55 Chicago time and 9:55 a.m. Alright, 150 US dollar in profit for the crude oil. Alright traders, resume back again. So as you can see, we just enter for the mini S&P, and at this moment we entering one lot position size for 38.08. So this is as well the reverse signal from the telegram channel for mini S&P futures 500. So order have just been filled a moment ago. At this moment a few ticks floating negative, but should be okay. But for the crude oil, we still on the move and slightly negative at this moment, and waiting for it to go back to the right track. Alright, so back to the chart. So as you can see, this is the current situation. This is what we expect for the market, which is to go continuous on the higher position, which is we hope for a trendy move on the bullish side, and targeted TP is 36.14. So based from the current situation, both traded at the negative floating. So this could be the our alright, so 60-5. So it doesn't look good for both. Then hopefully there will be no pullback, because I'm expecting for a good trendy movement to the higher side. So for the crude oil, market did test a few times but now try to go further up, so hopefully it's not a full reversal. I'm still expecting for it to go further down, so it could be this is a good entry for another position to short sell the market, so which is I'm entering at this moment to add in more position at the lower price level. The original price level is 40.94 to short sell based from the signal, but to the current volatility and the market uncertainty, so there's a high chance that we can re-enter the market with the additional position size. So yeah, still in the negative territory for the mini S&P. So the blue line is my entry level. So this is going to take maybe a bit more time on the trade perhaps, so let's wait patiently. Right, traders, we are looking good for ES mini S&P. So the high just now is okay, doesn't look good. And the high just now is $100 in profit, so now looks like definitely the pullback, hopefully not. So the volume is still remain normal, but there's a spike over here down here at 3605, which is not really good. So both current situation, we are on the minus, so let's hope the ES go further on the higher side, because crude oil doesn't look good at this moment. It seems like still remain on the negative side after a few minutes. At first we have a good profit about 6 or 120 US dollar, 130 US dollar, but then the market did make a pullback, so you can see there's a new high, a new low, higher high, so higher low and also lower high, and then hopefully this low high will be our another re-entry in the position. So hopefully this will be a successful trade. Alright, so there's a large volume waiting here for ES 3605. So as well, I'm still waiting for a good trendy move or strong move for the ES. Hopefully can determine that we are in the good direction. So now profit back into the positive territory. We're still hoping there could be a reduction on the negative floating for the crude oil, which is currently stood at 210 minus, and for mini S&P still remain on the positive side. Okay, we just need a big red candle from the crude oil just to justify our current move, which is to go south. So this will be a good breakthrough for reposition or re-entry into the market. You can see there's a major pullback after a strong reversal, and then could be this one is a pullback, and then to re-enter the market, the best is to have this entry, which is not the breakthrough entry, but just right before the breakthrough entry, which is quite good and quite safe. And there's a bigger volume normally over here to push the price towards the good direction. Traders, crude oil managed to get back into the positive territory at this moment, slightly one ticks below, and the mini S&P is 2 ticks or 3 ticks as well. So now we are definitely a bit confident to re-enter the market, to add in one more position size at 40.92, which is the lower high position. Hopefully there will be no sideway movement. If sideway movement, then we keep hanging around for quite a while later on. So looks good on the PNL at this moment, both green, which means positive. in my previous last few videos I have audio problem, so hopefully this one will be successful with voices, hopefully. Alright, so we are a bit confident that the market will go towards our direction. So as for the volume, there's a high volume at 1495, 4088, and remaining 4065 still high if you are trading using CQG, so there will be a larger DOM, depth of market. So 1494, 1495, high volume over here. Just keep watching these numbers, could be interesting. Okay, this trade already taken a bit longer, so let's wait patiently. Maybe another 15 minutes will be done, hopefully. Alright traders, we just re-entered the third position, so profit now is 70 US dollar. Okay, now we are in the good position of the price movement. We just need to wait a larger price push to the downside. Today is the last day of this contract. Tomorrow need to change the contract to roll over the contract to January 2021 contract for the crude oil. But it doesn't look good for the mini S&P, which is currently at the minus. Now 130. So the TP I have scattered around, so not all the TP will be at the same, so I will stagger it. So I will take early profit at 4085, 4077, the second one, and the third one is at 4072. So hopefully we can play safe to have a good positive account for today, since like crude mini S&P have minus at this moment, which is quite large. Okay, now we are focusing on the crude oil with the profit on hand at 190. So now price 220 in profit, reaching out the target of 85 and try to break through the nearest very low point, which is at 87. So the breakthrough 86 might go to 85 and even further to 80. So 250 US dollar in profit, keep increasing, and ES also we already turned to positive territory. So let's take a look on the volume. Large volume still waiting at 4065, so there is a high tendency for the market to go to this direction. And time now is 10:30 AM Chicago time. So far looks good. We just need a breakthrough. Already breakthrough to the nearest low over here. Just the first TP is somewhere here. I remove it to 84. Not to be greedy, just feel confidence that the market will go even further. The original target from the live telegram channel, which is at 72. Sorry, 70, and I just increased 2 ticks just to play safe, because traded more position size, so it should be okay. To protect, I may need to put one more stop loss. Okay, that looks good. Oh, it just hit 85 just now, which is the first target exit for my current position. So let's take a look on the mini S&P. Okay, looks good. There's a good strong bullish candle can be seen everywhere at this moment. Okay, we are going higher, 170, 175. So any moment I need to exit my position. 200. Okay, should be enough. No need to be greedy. So 212 for mini S&P. It's quite easy. Okay, because I saw the market volume move higher, so there's a chance for it to go even higher at a 14. But yeah, enough is enough. So 212.50. So I just nicely exit my position. So now let's focus back to the crude oil. We have reaching 260 just now, so I should exit the position because yeah, good profit actually. So let's wait patiently. Everything's have been set. The stop loss, and also the exit for profit. So now we are 220. So I believe ES is moving higher. Let's take a look. Is it okay? Small consolidation, then even further higher. The targeted original TP is 14, 36, 14 from my live telegram channel. 36, 14. Yeah, over here. So let's go back to the chart. Okay, we are done for ES. Already exit all position. So now remaining is for crude oil. So any moment I just can exit everything and have a good profit for today. So 212 is a sure profit for mini S&P. So for crude oil, still waiting. Okay, looks good. Hope to exit the first target. So now 86, 87. We are now 250. Moving further down. $280. Okay, we just hit the first target. First target already hit, so 170. So now floating 150, total to 320, 340. Keep increasing. Looks good. So let's wait for a few more minutes. So I will exit the positions. 380. Okay, looks good. 400, the total profit at this moment, 400. So I just need to remove a bit for the second exit. No need to be greedy because profit is good enough, rather than if the price reverse back to the break even, rather to exit at that position as well. So about 2-3 ticks even further down. In 5 minutes we will be settle all the trade. That's what I'm expecting. So there's still high volume waiting here at 40.65, which is quite interesting. Really interesting. Okay, looks good. Red candle. One more tick. Second position will be exited as a profit. $400, 360 US dollar, 380 US dollar. So high volume waiting here at a 40.80, not that high, but good enough to pull in the price to this level and then hit our TP, which is at 79, so 66. Okay, now alright, have to wait patiently. I believe for the mini S&P there's a strong pullback. Yes, there's a strong pullback. I was lucky enough to exit the market because I am not greedy. Sometimes I am also a bit greedy to stay in the market. Just profit is good enough, and yeah. Back to the crude oil. Alright, so a red candle, that's what we want, hopefully. Alright, so there's a few contract rollover. Not us, ours. Tomorrow will be a new contract for crude oil. Okay, doesn't look good. Why suddenly have pullback? So I will move all my stop loss to this level, so I don't want to have a minus on this one because I already exit one position. I just put a little bit. Oh, sorry, not both. Shit. Okay, only one over here as a trailing stop, and one here with a small profit, just to protect something. Yeah, at least we have something over here. Still original target is 70 and high volume waiting at 65, and should be okay, but I try to avoid to stay in the market if the market too long, or try to make a sideways move. Then it will be more painful for us as a trader, just to wait and wait for the profit to come. Alright, we just hit the trading stop, so now the price back to the original entry. So second trade profit, and third trade hit the trading stop because I don't want to have a major negative. So overall we have 190 US dollar in profit, so we can re-enter the market maybe at 81 and targeted TP about 7 ticks below, but profit good enough. Highest just now is 400. Maybe I'm too greedy, I didn't exit all the positions. I should exit 2 here and let the one remain to go further down. Okay, so overall 300 and 400. Overall is 400. Let's take a look on the profit. Yeah, about 387. 387 as a net profit. Okay, not bad for alright, that's the end of the trading and the result for today. The performance is okay. First of all, please ignore the date. The date is using my local time, which is already entering 18 November, but suppose for US time is 17 November, and we have one losing trade from the crude oil. So overall winning 75%. Total profit gross is 402. Oh yes, and the highest is 212 from the ES market. So there's losses of $20, which is hit my trailing stop. So the overall chart looks good. We can earn more actually, because another 200 from CL we didn't exit earlier, because we still expect for the market to go further down, but the market will go for further down. So the max drawdown is 2185, including the commission and so on, everything. Okay, so the net profit is 387 and 70 $387.70. Okay, it was not a bad day, so it still maintained a good winning day for, I think, for few days already since last week. If you follow my Facebook or my YouTube channel, you can see that we have a good continuous profit day so far. Alright, so let's. Okay, still waiting. The original target is far below here, should be okay. So I still believe that the market will go further down. And if you are interested, please follow my Telegram channel for live signal. So seems like this. So normally I will send out the information indication that if we hit the overall profit or not. Okay, so as for now, oh, just interesting for ES. The price go back to the level, the higher level, and still the profit target, original target is at 36.14. So a lot of you still maintain, a lot of users from my signal still maintain the position, and hopefully they will exit at a good profit at 36.14. I think that's all for today. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to share this video with your traders. Okay, thank you. Bye bye.